Hi everyone, I'm Denise and welcome to my dressing room. Today I'm talking about Lululemon, and I love Lululemon. I have since it first came out. The Vancouver store, I guess, was the flagship store in the 90s, and I love their pants. I love their hoodies. I've always liked their stuff. Their bags back in the 2000s. I'll put a picture of my bag. I think it's in my travel trailer, so I didn't want to go out in the rain and grab it. But yeah, I've always been a fan. What are these called again? Oh my, hoodies? Yeah, hoodies. My mind keeps going blank today. I don't know why. These ones were limited edition for the 2010 Olympics. And I'll come real close here so you can see that it's embroidered in the hearts. And then it has a heart at the front here. And it's got this, let's get real close here. There we go. The zipper tag. And then at the back, it carries on with the embroidered, can you see that? Oh gosh, here. Yeah, it carries on with the logo and then the embroidered all the way around. And then of course my favorite was these sleeves. My daughters and I, we got these. We're lucky enough to get them, and I've kept mine. And I think my daughters, because they were a lot younger, I think they've kept them too in their memory boxes. So anyways, just down memory lane with Lululemon with the hoodies. My daughter and I, we went to downtown Vancouver a couple weeks ago, and I ended up getting this belt bag called the Everywhere belt bag. And I'm not one for belt bags. I actually really like the LV mini bum bag, but don't like the price. So you know what? I really do like this. So this will do the same type, what I need it to do, what I need it to carry. It's really nice in this, kind of looks like shearling, but it's actually, oh sorry, not shearling. This is actually fleece. And but to me it kind of looked like when I seen it online, but I had to go into the store to see. And it's with the gold logo right there, and then with the gold zipper pull tab, and with everything gold. I should just say that, right? Gold hardware. Oh my gosh. And this is the inside here. So let me just dump this bag here. So the inside there with these mesh pockets, and then the two little pockets right there. So I'm going to actually keep this. So let's cut off the price tag here. I haven't done an unboxing or reveal for a bag for a long time. Oh, and I just noticed too at the back here, so it's kind of like that nylon, and then it has another zipper pull here, and then it's got a back zipper. I actually didn't even notice that. So yeah, this bag I definitely going to use because, you know, with our weather changing and everything, it's a perfect bag when I need to get my hair done, my nails done. I just need the basics, right? So people have worn it. My daughters wear it both ways, on the shoulder and crossbody, but let's take off this hoodie and let's try it here. So crossbody, I have it on the longest setting, and I'm 5'3.5". So this is where I would kind of like it. And let's just do this real quick, what I would take here. Just pretty much the basics. My phone, I would have a different phone case, but didn't want to change it. My favorite Chanel Duo lip gloss to wear in the winter. I would take that. House keys, car keys, and then a card case. This one's a little bit bigger, but let's get this one. Oh, look, it all fits. Just the essentials. So here it is on me. It's very, very light with just the essentials. So this will be perfect for me. And I would wear it like this with a t-shirt, obviously, when I go out. And then, no more and then. Let's see. Oh yeah. So I could just leave it actually like that with my hoodie open, because, you know, once you get to your destination, you're really hot. Let's pull the camera down a bit, guys, and I'm going to show you my cool runners. These I got, oh, and everything I'm wearing, these pants are Lululemon. They're very, very old. I do prefer the wide leg when I'm wearing these type of pants for leaving the house. I do not like wearing gym wear out of the house, but this is acceptable to me because it is a wide leg, kind of looks like pants. So anyways, better not kick this table again. Here are my runners. I got these, let me pull up my pants here. I got these a couple years ago in Mazatlan. I'll just take one off here so you can see. Let's move the camera up a bit. There we go. These are Philia, and these were made for Mexico, and they have the Mexico colors on them. So they did sell out in Mazatlan, so I was lucky enough to get my size, which is a 37. And I actually wore these on the way back home for my last trip, because I had kept them there thinking that I would use them there, but you know, it's so hot. I'm always in sandals, and I'd get better use of them here in Vancouver. So yeah, so this is my outfit of the day, guys, and now I'm ready to go. I have to get my roots done. You know how it is, women of a certain age, right? But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing. That would be awesome. And I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.